Welcome to SC4K. We create the best coders to change the world. We are excited to have you join our dynamic team. In this session, we will give you an overview of SC4K and what we stand for. You'll learn about our vision and mission, and the services we offer. This training is designed to help you understand our values, how we work, and how you can contribute as part of the SC4K team. Let's get to know SC4K. Founded in 2021 with just 5 students, we've grown into a vibrant learning community across Canada. Powered by an experienced and talented team, we help learners build real-world skills and confidence. As you join us, your ideas matter, your growth is valued, and together, we are shaping meaningful futures. At SC4K, our vision is to build an empowering technology education environment where students are guided to achieve their goals with confidence. Our mission is to ensure every child has the opportunity to develop coding skills at an early age, preparing them to thrive in a rapidly evolving digital world. Let's meet the team behind SC4K. Vida, our founder and CEO, brings over 20 years of IT experience, guiding our vision and growth. Supporting her are expert consultants Shiva and Sen, each with 20+ years in IT. Our financial analyst Pradeep ensures smart financial planning and strategic insights to keep SC4K thriving. Together, they bring unmatched expertise and leadership to empower our learners and drive innovation. Meet our teachers, dedicated educators who bring both expertise and a genuine love for teaching. SC4K operates across 4 locations in the Greater Toronto Area: Ajax, Brampton, Markham, and Scarborough. We proudly own our Markham and Scarborough centers, and our services are also available online. Let's get to know what are our services. We offer STEM coding and robotics for ages 4 to 18, plus our coding club and innovation hub where students collaborate on real projects. High schoolers can gain hands-on experience through our co-op and volunteer programs. For working professionals, we provide specialized training in digital marketing and Excel. We even host unforgettable tech-themed birthday parties and many more. At SC4K, we offer coding and robotics programs tailored for learners from ages 4 to 18, designed to grow with each stage of development. We also provide specialized programs for adults and professionals looking to build or enhance their technology skills. To meet different learning needs, our sessions are available both in person and online, giving families and learners the flexibility to choose what works best for them. In SC4K, every voice matters. Your ideas aren't just heard, they're encouraged. We value diverse perspectives because they spark innovation. We also prioritize your growth, offering learning resources, mentorship, and skill development opportunities. And communication is key. We practice transparency and open dialogue at all levels. Together, we create a workplace where you can thrive and make an impact. At SC4K, protecting our customers and our company is critical. All customer leads must be used only for SC4K business. Customer details and personal information should always remain confidential. Our program designs, projects, and syllabi are company property and must not be shared with outsiders or misused in any way. Always handle information responsibly, and report any accidental leaks immediately. This ensures trust and protects the integrity of our work. At SC4K, employee safety and well-being come first. We are committed to maintaining a respectful and inclusive workplace. Harassment, discrimination, or workplace bullying of any kind is not tolerated. Every employee has the right to feel safe, valued, and supported at work. If you experience or witness any concerns, you can report them confidentially, and they will be handled seriously and fairly. As we conclude your onboarding, we'd like to take a moment to address any questions you may have. This is your opportunity to seek clarification about your role, our company culture, or anything related to SC4K. Your questions matter, and we want you to feel confident and well-informed. We're excited to have you with us and look forward to this journey ahead, together. Thank you for taking the time to complete your onboarding. We're excited to have you as part of the SC4K team. Your skills, ideas, and dedication matter to us, and we look forward to growing and succeeding together.